We apply the same level of attention to detail and expertise in servicing your car that went into building it, to make your experience something truly unique in a world of standardized choices. We do this in several ways. Attention to detail to address your car's needs and deliver grade A solutions. 5 years warranty on paint. 2 years warranty on spare parts. Free recovery. A customer service team that is dedicated to providing superior customer care and strive to exceed client expectations at every turn. Every drop of our service is poured with one person in mind, you.